Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer your GoDaddy domain to SiteGround. First, log in to your GoDaddy account. Once you're in, click on your name at the top right corner, then go to the My Products section. Here, click the Manage button beside the domain you want to transfer. Before transferring, there are two things we need to do. First is unlock your domain, and then get your authorization key. To unlock it, scroll down to the bottom. Under the transfer area, you'll see the option to unlock your domain. So go ahead and toggle it off. Then, click Continue to confirm. After unlocking, it's time to get the authorization key. Under the same transfer area, click Transfer to another registrar. Then, hit Continue with Transfer. GoDaddy will then give you the authorization key, so make sure to copy it. Now, it's time to transfer the domain to SiteGround. Log into your SiteGround account. On the upper menu, go to the Marketplace section. Click the Get button beside Domain Transfer. Type in your GoDaddy domain and click Check Status. You'll then be asked to enter the authorization or EPP code. Just paste it in. It will look something like this. Once you're done, your transfer will be initiated, but the process may take up to 14 days. But that's just basically it. That's how you transfer your GoDaddy domain to SiteGround. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.